Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope all are doing fine. Today we will see how to make mutton curry. Heat pressure cooker and add 1 spoon of oil. Once heated, add 3 chopped onions and 5 slit green chilies to it and fry well. Add 1 spoon of salt. Fry until golden brown. Add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste to it and fry until the raw smell disappears. Now add half kg of mutton pieces. Fry well. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Add 1 spoon of coriander powder and 1/4 spoon of cumin powder. Fry them well. Add 2 spoons of red chili powder to it and mix well. Add 1 glass of hot water to it. Cover and cook for 3 whistles. Once the pressure is released, open and check whether the mutton is well cooked or not. Add chopped coriander leaves. Let the gravy simmer until it reduces or it thickens. Look, the gravy should come to this consistency. Now serve hot with steamed rice, pulao, chapatis, rotis, whatever you feel like. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.